Hi friends, welcome back to Vidya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Hope you all liked the kadapa recipe that I shared last week. Today I'm going to share yet another simple recipe which is a perfect side for idli, dosa, upma and even roti. The recipe that I'm going to share today is known by different names. You can call it as quick sambar, Besan sambar, turmeric sambar, instant sambar, bombay chutney and whatnot. I'm gonna call this as turmeric sambar because of its color. So let's get started with this easy sambar recipe. So I'm gonna start with the sambar recipe. The pan is getting heated, so now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. This 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. I'm going to add a little bit of hing as well. This is 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. And this adds a lot of flavor to this sambar. Just mix it once. Now I'm going to add few curry leaves. And we need 2 green chilies of this size. So I've already chopped 2 green chilies, and also I've taken 2 garlic cloves, 2 small garlic cloves. So I'm going to add that as well. This is 1/3 cup of chopped onion. You can use shallots also. If you are using shallots, you can add up to 6 to 7 shallots. I've taken 1 big yellow onion and I only took 1/3 cup of it. This sambar recipe doesn't call for any vegetables, but there is no harm in adding vegetables. Today I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped carrot and 2 tablespoons of chopped zucchini. You can include watery vegetables or vegetables that gets cooked easily, like cucumber, yellow cucumber, bottle gourd. But if you want to skip the vegetables, that's perfectly fine as well. And instead of chopped carrot, you can include grated carrots also. I'm just gonna allow this to cook for 1 minute or so over low heat. Now I'm going to add the spices and turmeric. So this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. As I said, this is turmeric instant sambar, so we need a lot of turmeric. And this is half teaspoon of sambar powder. And this is 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. As always, you can adjust salt and spices according to your preference. As you can see, this is completely dry. Now we'll be adding the basin water. I'm going to reduce the heat completely to low. So on the number scale, it is in 1. So this is 2 tablespoons of sifted basin. Sifting the basin helps in removing the lumps. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. I'm going to using my hand whisk the basin and water thoroughly. So here is the basin and the water mix. Now I'm going to add this to the sambar mix. Now you can increase the heat. You can bring it to up to medium low and gently mix it and allow it to simmer. The basin mix will slowly thicken, and you can remove this after the first boil, but if you want a thicker consistency sambar, you can allow it for second boil as well. So the sambar started to boil. At this stage, you can check for the consistency, and if you want a thinner consistency, you can add half more cup of water. and simmer it for 1 or 2 minutes and then turn off the heat. Or if you want thicker consistency, you can allow it to simmer for a couple more minutes and bring it to one more boil. I'm fine with this consistency, so I'm just going to turn off the heat and add a few cilantro. So that's it, the instant sambar is ready. Once you have the veggies chopped, you can make this sambar in less than 15 minutes. So here it is, friends, the quick instant turmeric sambar, and today I'm going to serve this with dosa. As I mentioned, you can serve this with idli, upma or even roti. Hope you all liked this video. Please let me know your thoughts and feedback. I just wanted to add couple of points. If you like garlicky flavor, you can add up to 5 cloves, and also you can chop the garlic. Today I just added as whole garlic. And also for this sambar, if the veggies are al dente, it really adds that crunch. And if you are adding more vegetables, I just added 2 tablespoons of zucchini and carrot. But if you are adding more than that, after adding the spices, drizzle some water and allow the veggies to cook, because when you add more vegetables, the veggies need some time to cook, and then add the besan water. And as always, adjust the spices and salt according to your preference. And please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll catch you next week with another easy recipe. Thank you so much.